Hi, my name is Carl Thompson. I'm 33 years old. I'm a Gemini, and I was born and raised in Brooklyn, New York. I'm the New York office manager, and my daily routine is I make sure the office is good. I'm in charge of refunds, truck files, licenses. I do a little bit of everything. Like, I have my hands in everything surrounding the company, which is Roadway. Something that you guys should know about me is I'm very, very passionate and deep into fashion. Since I was a child, I love fashion. Like all the other kids would want video games, I would want the latest designer that came out. That's just who I am. And as I got older, that didn't change, but I enjoy traveling. I travel so much, I just love it. I love going out the country because then I get to experience different cultures and how they live. And plus, I just love laying on the beach and being in the sun. That is just an amazing part about traveling. A little secret about me that no one knows is that I'm a thrill seeker. Like, I love doing outrageous things because it's fun and it gives me like the adrenaline to go. And plus, you only live once, and I'm gonna live my life and I'm gonna enjoy it. You only have one life to live. Enjoy it. One thing I like about working at Roadway is coming to work and building bonds with each individual, because each individual have different personalities, so it's never the same atmosphere. It's always fun, active, and I look forward to coming to work. Thank you for listening to my story, and I look forward to making future memories with you guys, the Roadway family.